Evening everyone, this is Scout Eagle Club Howl, bringing up an update on Transformers Prime fanfic Romibot and Julicon. Yeah, it's been a while since I've been doing an update on it, so I'm doing one tonight. And it's like 10 PM at night, and I'm supposed to be asleep. But I don't really care right now. Just want to let you know I've finally finished drawing the robot mode of Julicon, but actually it's Julibot when she turns into an Autobot. So yeah, so as you can see here, I've done the wolf shape, made it more robotic. I'm actually quite proud of this actually. Even though at first when I drew the wolf posture, I was just like, this is never gonna work, but actually it did. So the height on this creature is 4.3 meters tall, a little bit shorter than the robot mode, and that's like the size of a human to compare it. Oh, the human looks so happy that he's shorter. So puny. And some information. Julibot, Cybertronian, Wolf, Autobot. Colours are different because she's an Autobot. And those are the feet. They look ugly. I don't really care right now. Yes, so here are the weapons on the shoulders in wolf mode. They look so awesome, don't they? Iron teeth, blue eyes, different from the red eyes. Same sharp metal tail. Tires on the legs. Yep, so that's all the detail. I also want to bring an update on the fanfiction. So far I've done 31 pages. Pretty good. Still got to write more. Jesus Christ. I have to keep writing and writing until it's finished. Probably take months. Well, so far I've done part 1 and coming up to, maybe I should zoom out more now. Part 2, then, Jesus, why is all this paper in the way? Ah! It all fell off! And then I just recently started part 3, which gets really exciting. So yeah, that's all the crap I've got right now. Oh yeah, and my next update I'll be drawing the wolf mode of Julicon again, but as an Autobot. More work for me. Yeah, so that's all the update tonight. So please like and subscribe for more videos. Bye.